everybody. From the historians' hideaway. It's what they call their little setup here. Amazing time here at my Warm Showers host. That's their house there, and they got this cute little shed that looks kind of like a cabin. And inside, it's completely solar powered. They have a converter to where you can charge your stuff and everything. And yeah, like right there you can charge. They even have a biker box over there, and then they have cots and everything. I put my pad on that and slept absolutely amazing. Alright, so we're up and going, heading back over to the route now. Wasn't far from it, maybe like 0.3, so not too far of a detour. A lot of steep ups this morning. Going down right now, but we got another big hill in front of me. Ended up being 14.5 on the road. Now we finally got trail again. What's up, everybody? Just sitting here in Clyde, New York, and we only got like maybe 20 more miles to go today, because I'm only going like 30 something today. Just giving my body just a little bit of a rest day after doing that big day yesterday. And yeah, I just really don't want to go all the way to Rochester today, which would have been 50 some miles, which I could have easily done it today. I just don't want to. And that's the good thing about bike touring, as long as you got somewhere you can camp. You don't have to do huge days all the time. You want to take it easy a day and just kind of leisurely go, you can. And the main reason I ain't going past there is because there's places to camp. There's 3 other places you can camp after where I'm going, but each and every one of them, $45 a night to pitch your tent. All 3 of them is damn near $50 just to set your tent up. I got a shower, laundry, and everything last night. I don't need that. And I'm not paying $50 to set up my tent. Real bad. Yeah. I've got a ton of gravel in my shoes, world on my shoulder, heart full of blues. I'm in the dirt, down in the dirt. we're moving on. 2 reasons. One, I called the place, didn't answer. Then I go there, and I just don't see anywhere that would actually be kind of safe-ish to camp. And there's just like bad people walking around all around there. So I'm pushing on, and I don't know, we'll end up somewhere tonight. Alright, what's up everybody? Just riding through Fairport, New York. And yeah, I was riding with a really nice couple for the last 3 or 4 miles, and told them about what I'm doing and everything, and yeah, they're gonna give me a follow. But yeah, it's 5:54. It's going to be getting dark soon. We got 9 miles left. There's been 1 or 2 spots I could have camped, but just figured it's a beautiful evening. I got a second wind. Just push on. This will be another 60+ mile day. Hello. Man, this place is awesome. Rolling into another little town. Look at that goose. All kinds of geese and ducks. Really surprised it's not dark yet. It's 6:19. Everybody around here has just been nice as can be.